Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. Today is a after the pin in my classic catch-all planner, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So this was the beginning of December, and I do use the dashboard layout as my catch-all planner. It was for stay at home, but now it's transitioned into the holidays. So first we're going to start with the menu planning. I always like to set out my dinner plans for the week. It just really makes it easier on myself. They don't always stick to the days, but at least I have a set of dinner plan ideas, because sometimes I definitely bust out the whiteout tape and change that. So I wanted to use up some of these stickers that I have in my little planner pouch. It's Happy Planner, and they're just journaling bullet stickers for me to use up, and I'm going to go ahead and place those down. I try to do like a top 3 focus of what I want to get done during the day. And then for the dashboard layout, you can see on the left side, I'll use for other planning categories. That way I utilize my planning space. So let me know in the comments down below if you use the dashboard layout, how you plan. Do you use like a top focus? Do you list out plans? Leave some tips down below. So again, I'm just writing. So after the pins with me is just like top 3 focus. Unless there's like a certain thing going on that day that I absolutely cannot forget, I will probably put it in a box. But for now, a lot of it is just my kids' school schedule, which is a little different these days. And then my oldest plays softball, so she has practices during the week. And sometimes we carpool, so I always need to remember that. So basically that's it for me. It's just top focused. It's kind of like a list of planning. Again, if I have a special event, I will put it in a like larger sticker, so that way it's highlighted and I know. But a lot of this stuff is like for mainly holiday planning. Occasionally, if something special comes up, like a special television show or something that the girls are wanting to do like last minute, it'll definitely be put in there as well. Like sometimes if I don't have a lot going on, I will leave space and fill in something when I come back to my planner throughout the week. I kind of leave it more of a function type of planning, if that makes sense. And then I like to add decorative stickers, and it's kind of like a mood thing. I'm definitely a mood type of planner most of the time lately. There's no like set theme or anything. Also, what I love about these journaling stickers, they're not clear, but I meant the fact that they were just, blank images that I can color. They're matte stickers. So you'll see at the end, I'll share some coloring with some gel pens and cute highlighters. So I have a lot of stickers in my pouch that I try to use up before I use a certain sticker book. You can say that sometimes I'm a hoarder and I like to hoard some of my favorite stickers, but I definitely need to use them. These are Shine Sticker Studio. They're absolutely cute. She has a little mask on, and I wanted to use those on the days that my kids actually go into school, because I definitely need to use those stickers up. They're so cute. And here I'm just trimming some stickers that were in the way of Sunday, and I think I'm going to trim off this softball so I have more space to write in after the plans. And you'll notice that I only plan up to Friday, because as I was filming this, it was actually fires in California, so my days were different than I expected. But anyways, I thought this would be a different video for you guys to get an idea of how I use my planner. It's basically for my everyday functional things. So the errands portion, I think I've mentioned this before, I use it for like store runs. which will be a lot here in the next couple of weeks because I do a lot of Christmas shopping. I like to pick it up in the mornings. I have ordered online, but there's just some things that I need to pick up in store. So over here, I'm just writing out list of things that are like my top things that I need to buy and that I don't need to forget. I used to use this as like a run-on grocery list, but I think here in the next couple of weeks, I'm just going to use it for like things that I need to remember to pick up, especially during Christmas. Like I need extra lights because one of our trees needs extra lights. I wanted some Christmas decor for the bathrooms, things like that. And then here at the bottom, since this was the beginning of December, it was like taking down all the Thanksgiving decoration, cleaning up leftovers, like stuff that I wanted to get done before rolling into, like my goals before I rolled into the first week of December. So whatever I don't check off this week, I will make a new fresh list for the following week. So for me, the dashboard layout is really great in my everyday life, in my lifestyle as a planner. Oh, so I was saying that this week we had some interruptions in California. If you guys are aware, there were some more fires. So like on the 3rd, my kids had to stay home because of air quality. So you'll see that the after the pin here is not through the entire week. It's just up till Friday, I believe. I share with you guys my plans because I will write out up until Wednesday, and then I'll come back and look at my planner and plan for the rest of the week. Because normally, since it is like quarantine or just the way this year has been, it'll be just practices or tournaments. Occasionally we had a birthday party, but it's only with softball. There's not a whole lot of going out. So, yeah. Not a whole lot of plans there on weekends. But Friday we had something fun. We had a little celebration karaoke night with the girls. So there was a little birthday there we were celebrating, and it was fun. I can definitely say that I'm a hybrid planner, and again with the mood thing, it just depends on my mood these days of planning. But I do love functionality of stickers, and I do tend to pull a lot of the mom everyday life planning stickers, little icons that I like to stick in after the plans. So you'll notice that I have the Super Mom that came out, I believe, in 2018, and this is the classic sticker book. So I like adding those in here this week. I'm sharing some stickers that I've used from Paper House at Michael's. I think it's Sugary Shop Gal. I think that's what the name is, but she has some cute workout stickers that I like to use and put in there. But that is my after the pen. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you got some tips out of it. I definitely have a video up to change my cover for the holidays. But basically, that's how I like to plan. It's very functional, and I like to use all the stickers. As you can see, there's my week up until Friday. If you are familiar with BTS, that's what we were doing. I have 2 teenagers, and it was fun. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!